Ever wondered how a simple item like a pencil holds the power to create worlds or solve complex equations? Stationery, often taken for granted, serves as the backbone of our daily activities, educational pursuits, and professional endeavors. These humble tools not only facilitate basic tasks, but also ignite the engine of creativity and innovation. Whether jotting down a quick note or drafting a detailed architectural blueprint, the influence of stationery is pervasive and profound. From a basic pencil to a sophisticated organizer, each item carries a unique significance. Start with the basics: pencils and pens, the true warriors of ideas. Delve into the world of pencils first, from the classic graphite for everyday writing and sketching, to vibrant colored pencils that bring art to life, and the precision of mechanical pencils used widely in technical drawings. Then, explore the realm of pens. The smooth glide of ballpoint pens, the elegant strokes of fountain pens, and the vivid lines from gel pens, each tailored for specific tasks. Whether jotting down a quick note or sketching a portrait, these tools are indispensable. Moving beyond pens, let's color our world with markers and highlighters. Starting with markers, we find a variety, such as permanent markers that resist fading and are perfect for labeling everything from storage boxes to backpacks. Whiteboard markers make it easy to jot down ideas during meetings or class and can be wiped clean in a swipe. Fabric markers, meanwhile, let creativity flow on textiles. Highlighters play a crucial role in studying, helping emphasize key information and organize notes visually. Brighten your text or add a splash of creativity with these vivid tools. Now let's organize our thoughts and unleash creativity with more sophisticated tools. Venturing beyond the basics, we dive into the world of planners and journals. These aren't just books, they're personal command centers for mapping out day-to-day activities and setting long-term goals. Whether it's a bullet journal with its customizable layout or a structured planner that guides you through the year, these tools are essential for keeping life on track. Moving into the realm of artistic expression, let's explore the vibrant colors of watercolor sets and the crisp, inviting pages of sketch pads. These artistic tools not only foster creativity, but also provide a therapeutic outlet for expressing emotions and ideas visually. Organize your day, plan your future, or paint a masterpiece. These tools are your best allies. Stationery is not just about writing or drawing, it's about creating and organizing your world. As we've explored the vibrant universe of stationery, we've seen how these seemingly simple tools are integral to daily life. From the humble pencil that sketches dreams onto paper, to the pens that ink agreements and ideas into reality. We've journeyed through the vivid world of markers and highlighters that capture attention and enhance understanding, and admired the organizers and artistic tools that help structure our chaos and color our imaginations. These essentials are not just for students or professionals, but for anyone with thoughts to express and dreams to draft. Embrace the power of stationery and let these tools inspire your creativity and efficiency every day.